Let's check the length of cut taken. It is 49.2. We haven't gone beyond 50. Okay, so this is the last point of our cut. With the turning operation, rough cutting, again we have to reduce this diameter to how much? To 24. So it is almost 34 right now. It will take more depth of cut. आपका एक क्वेश्चन हो सकता है कि ये जो स्पीड और फीड कैसे सिलेक्ट करें, स्पीड ऑफ द चक. There is a formula for that. It is pi dn upon 1000. Phi, the value of pi you know. D means the diameter on which you are going to take cut, and means there is a formula for cutting speed, and it is pi dn upon 1000. Cutting speed means how much length your cutting tool should move on one revolution of your job. So there is a formula pi dn upon 1000. That means you know the value of pi. D means the existing diameter on which you are going to take cut. N means the RPM of chuck upon 1000. What the value will come, the answer will come is your cutting speed. That much mm length your cutting tool should move on one rotation of your job or your chuck. Second rough cut. We'll take another 1 mm rough cut again with lower speed of chuck and lower feed as well, because this is rough cutting. We'll be taking more depth of cut. By seeing I can judge that we are far from 24 mm diameter. The diameter is around 30 right now, so 6 or more mm is extra to cut over here. Next cut of around 1 mm. Next rough cut. This is the end of third rough cut. Again I am taking one more rough cut. For that I am advancing, taking this cutting point forward by 1 mm. By passing 20 lines on this cross slide dial. One division passing, that means advancement of, I have taken this cutting tool 1 mm forward towards the job. That means you are going to take 1 mm depth of cut over here. But how much diameter is going to reduce? 2 mm diameter is going to reduce. Why? Because while cutting I have taken this cutting point by 1 mm forward. This at this side 1 mm cut will take place, as well as from this side also 1 mm cut will take place. In total the diameter is going to reduce by 2 mm. So by advancement of 1 mm of cutting tool you are going to cut 2 mm diameter in total. Now we are very much near to our final diameter, so I have to take precaution. I am going to take slight cut on it and up to this much length only, and I will be checking the existing diameter. I am not going to exceed this diameter throughout the length for the precaution of sake. Now it is, let's check, it is 24.53. Okay, so 53 is extra material on the job, which I have to reduce, and I will use this cutting as a finishing cut. So hereafter I have to take care for finishing and accuracy. So this will be our last rough cut. In this cut we are going to maintain the length as well. Here same as diameter, I have to check the existing length. I haven't crossed the 50 mark over here. It was below 50. Keep your tool as it is and check the length. $49. It is 14.9 approximately. So I have to cut the length by 1 mm more. For that I will be using this dial. Now your cutting point is in line with this face of the step. I am setting this dial at 0. Here 1 division means 0.05. By passing 10 divisions over here, your tool will be moving 0.5 mm towards chuck. That means 0.5 mm cut will be taking place. 2 cuts of 0.5 mm is going to give us the required length over here. I am going to take first cut of 0.5 mm. I am passing 10 divisions for advancement of 0.5 mm of tool and taking facing cut over here. I am taking the cutting point towards the job where it was previously, and it was previously at, when I took last rough cut, it was at 60. So I have completed this facing cut. 0.7. Go towards job, and it is how much deep I am going. It was 60 when the last rough cut were taken. Again we are about completion. 50. Okay, so achieve the length of 50 mm over here. Our machine has accuracy of 0.05 mm. So the tolerance for this job will be 0.05. That means the given dimension can be plus by 0.05 mm or can be minus by 0.05 mm. If this diameter you required is 24, it can be 24.05 or it can be 23.95. The existing diameter of the job, and it is 24.47. That means 0.47 is more. We have to reduce 0.47 and in 2 cuts, and those will be our finishing cut. Finishing cut, we will increase the speed. We will select 800 RPM and use lowest speed. See the significant difference in finish. Why you are getting is better finish because the speed is more and feed is less. Here initially we are going to cut threads, so no need to have finishing over here because we are going to reduce this much length in diameter more. We have to have finish over this length only. That means here near about. Now we are near about at the required length. To achieve our required length, the position of wheel was at 10. I will go up to that position only, otherwise I will be exceeding the job in length. So I have achieved the required length over here. Okay. When I have taken this cut, the position of cross slide was 68. Keep this in mind. We haven't crossed 20 mm over here. Now let's see the existing length here, and it is 18.36. that means 1.65 more to achieve. I have to cut to be taken on face of the step. Here set this dial at 0. I have to take 1.65 mm cut over here. For that I will move this. After passing 10 divisions I will be having 0.5 mm cut. Then again 10 mm passing of divisions, again 0.5 mm cut, and here I have to go up to this point only where I left for diameter. One mm cut has been taken on face of the step. Now remaining 0.65. This is 0.5 again. I am taking cut. Okay, stop the machine. Length before having last final cut on face to achieve length. It is 19.72. That means 0.28 metal is remaining. I will pass 1, 2, 3, 4 divisions, and for 2/8 approximately half division. This is my last cut for the length, and how much deep I am going, and that was at 30. The length, it is how much it is? 20.04. That means it is within tolerance. It is again 20.0203. Again within tolerance. We have completed step turning operation. One diameter of 24 mm, length 25, and another 20 mm diameter, and length again 20.